Priyanka Gandhi's political secretary Preeti Sahai was asked to leave Amethi following a complaint by BJP candidate Smriti Irani. Smriti Irani, in her complaint to the EC, had alleged that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's political secretary was trying to influence voters and had entered a polling station without clearance from the Election Commission.
प्रियंका जी की सेक्रेटरी हैं, आप यहाँ पे 5 तारीख के बाद कर क्या रहे हैं? मैडम, आपने खुद ही मीडिया के सामने कबूल किया है, क्या कहा तो वो बाकी सब, हाँ तो वही मैं कह रही हूँ, आपकी तो अथॉरिटी पे यहाँ पे आप मुझे दिखाइए ना। रामाश्री जी अथॉरिटी लेटर आप अथॉरिटी लेटर देखिए। आप अगर पोलिंग बूथ पर जाना है तो 30 मीटर दूर कांग्रेस महासचिव के इस परिसर से आपको गुजरते हुए उनके परिसर के अंदर वोट देना पड़ेगा, जो चुनाव आयोग के गाइडलाइंस का उल्लंघन है। दूसरा, यहाँ पर श्रीमती वाड्रा की सचिव प्रीति सहाय स्वयं उपस्थित रहीं। हमने पुलिस से जब कहा कि कांग्रेस महासचिव वोटर्स की लाइन में जाकर ये कह रहे हैं कि आपको कांग्रेस को वोट देना चाहिए और आप इसको रोकिए, अचानक प्रीति सहाय यहाँ आई। वो फिर इस बात का विरोध करने लगी कि प्रत्याशी होने के नाते हम यहाँ कैसे रह सकते हैं, जबकि राहुल गांधी हर बूथ पर घूम रहे हैं। प्रीति सहाय यहाँ की स्थानिक महिला नहीं है। स्थानिक ना होने के बावजूद प्रशासन का तो एक दिशा निर्देश था कि 5 तारीख के बाद यहाँ पर कोई भी व्यक्ति नहीं रह सकता जो स्थानिक नहीं है। तो श्रीमती वाड्रा की जो सेक्रेटरी हैं, वो किस अधिकार से पोलिंग बूथ के अंदर घूम रही हैं? हमने जब बोला कि आप हमें अथॉरिटी लेटर दिखाइए, उन्होंने हमें अथॉरिटी लेटर नहीं दिखाया। हमने प्रशासन से निवेदन किया कि आप अथॉरिटी लेटर खुद देखिए। यहाँ पर एक अफसर है राम आश्रय यादव, उन्होंने उनको जाने दिया। यहाँ पे एक पत्रकार थे, उनसे कहा गया कि भाई हमारी रिकॉर्डिंग मत करो। तो ये नीच राजनीति पर भाषण देने वाले राहुल गांधी से पूछिए कि ये उनकी राजनीति का प्रमाण है, ये उनकी दरियादिली का एक प्रतीक है कि यहाँ पे दूसरे लोगों के लिए कानून अलग और प्रीति सहाय श्रीमती वाड्रा के लिए कानून अलग। यहाँ पे कांग्रेस के महासचिव आके स्वयं प्रत्याशी और यहाँ पर वोटर्स को इन्फ्लुएंस कर सकते हैं, लेकिन उनके खिलाफ ना आवाज उठाई जा सकती है, ना ही प्रशासन यहाँ का उनके खिलाफ कोई कार्रवाई करेगा।
Well, the election officials had asked Sahai to leave Amethi following the complaint. Smriti Irani had earlier alleged in a series of tweets that a local Congress leader had intimidated a BJP polling agent at a polling booth in Amethi. My colleague Akshata joins us with more details on this. Well, Akshata, Amethi elections this time around marred with numerous instances of violations. What is the latest one all about?
Well, in this particular episode, Nishita, it was quite clear that Smriti Irani was very irked seeing Priyanka Gandhi's political secretary present there. It is understood that her political secretary, Preeti Sahai, was present inside the polling booth, is what Smriti Irani alleges. So she claims, of course, that soon after she confronted Sahai and asked her exactly what she was doing inside the polling booth. Of course, she alleges that she was trying to influence voters into going ahead and voting for the Congress. What we have to keep in mind, Nishita, the reason this becomes a violation is mostly because the election officials have a rule that people who are not registered to vote in a particular constituency and who are from outside canvassing for candidates have to leave as soon as the campaigning ends, and this is according to the Election Commission rules. So people like Preeti Sahai are not allowed to stick through, considering that they were part of the campaigning team, which is what Smriti Irani went on to state. What was she doing there? And also what was she doing inside the polling booth is what Smriti Irani went on to ask. In fact, if you actually see the video where Smriti Irani is going ahead and confronting Preeti Sahai keeps saying, let it go, I won't stay here, I'm going to move out, I'm leaving right now, I'm leaving your constituency, is what she goes on to state time and again. But Smriti Irani ensured that she had a face-off of sorts and kept questioning her as to exactly what she was doing here. And now she's also demanded action be taken against the Congress. Of course, the political secretary, Preeti Sahai, has now been asked to leave Amethi by the Election Commission officials themselves who have intervened in the matter. Smriti Irani claims that the reason all this came to light was because she saw how Preeti Sahai was moving around, and the fact that Preeti Sahai had asked the media cameras not to take her footage, it left her very, very suspicious. And of course, she claims that they were trying to go ahead and influence voters when she had absolutely no permission to even enter a polling booth. She did not even even have the necessary forms and the formalities to go ahead and enter a polling booth, is what we understand. In fact, Smriti Irani all through the day has been rather actively tweeting and talking about incidents where she accuses the Congress of going ahead and forcing voters to vote for the Congress and also influencing them. Smriti Irani claims that is almost a large scale at this point, with her Twitter account being completely flooded with these kind of tweets. In fact, time and again she's gone on to state that this is what happened, and she's also posted pictures of people being abused and beaten up, stating that the Congress did so. In fact, about this particular incident, also she went on to tweet saying, Srimati Vadra's secretary Preeti Sahai at Tauri, not a local, still vocal in opposing my presence at the booth. This is what she goes on to state, and according to her, Preeti Sahai also went on to question why she was in the booth, and that's why Smriti Irani in fact went on to get very, very frustrated. She also tweeted about the fact that it is said that Rahul Gandhi, of course, snapped at a villager in Phulai in Amethi, when in fact one of the villagers chanted Har Har Modi. Rahul Gandhi said to have snapped at him, saying, go ahead and join the BJP. Clearly very frustrated by the same, but Smriti Irani has been trying to go ahead and almost expose the Congress of sorts, stating that they are indulging in influencing voters and also going ahead and rigging the polls. So we'll have to wait and watch to see how the Election Commission perceives this. As of now, they've gone ahead and asked for Preeti Sahai to leave Amethi immediately, and we do understand that she has left the constituency as of now. Nishita.
Right, thank you for joining us with all those details, Akshita.
मैंने जो आपसे कहा महिला का अथॉरिटी लेटर चेक कीजिए, आपने क्यों नहीं आपने उनको बाहर कैसे जाने दिया? आपने अथॉरिटी लेटर चेक क्यों नहीं किया? उनका एबीपी न्यूज के पास उनका क्लिप है। मैं बार बार आपसे